Simbulunak duana turanga suliet no nambula en kana matatek tu na timniviti dana serni vaminak ngangobe Mr. Waisea Nayacalevu kama mivamota ni na talita kandana small token of appreciation for your service to the flying future.
They call you Iona, boy, Riva, up. Tiger, they call you Iona, boy, Riva, uprising you started your rugby career. Fiji Sevens, your talent exposed. Tall lanky, the world came to know your name. Flying Fijian, you reign. The pain, the blood and tears, the struggle and sacrifices you go through, but never give up. Skipper wise, we salute you. Waisea, Nayacalevu, our mighty warrior. Never say die, always leading by example. That's Tiger. The wise, wise, wise man. Tall timber from Sirua. Tholevina, bonjour, Sayadra. To Paris you go, decades you blow. To run you white despite the French you knew you well. That's our wise, wise man. The flying Fijians, saw the Sharks in Manchester. You also played, that's where we met. Our skipper we support. Ospreys you go and then Anizawa you'll settle. Still playing rugby all these years. A legend amongst legends, they say. Sardina, fire, 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 baby. Tiger, tiger, tiger. The wise, wise man, commentators always say. Thanks a million, Mr. Skipper, for years of dedication to the mighty flying Fijian. We know you are still fit and we hope to see you at the 2020 World Cup. Yes you can, yes wise can. Fire, fire, fire. Zero agas agrawada. Kabikaze salodoma. I need your bless. Skipper and Waisea keep flying high. Our legend, the wise, wise man. Mr. Be good to him. That's our skipper.